Hi guys, you're welcome back to this video editing tutorial. So in this video you'll learn how you can add intro and outro to your videos. So the first thing I'll let you to know is that intro is just it simply means introduction, and outro is just the conclusion part of your video. So the thing is that for intros, you have to put something like, let's say for example your logo, like the logo of your business. So when they see your logo like time repeatedly, you are always using that same intro, then immediately when your viewers see that logo rather, as your intro, they will know that okay, this is your YouTube channel, or this is your product. Are you getting me now? So it's just for you to register that in the mind of your audience. I hope you get that. So that's just for intro. So in this video, I'll be showing the basic example of how you can create your own intro and outros. So let's continue. I imported this background here, this white background. So we're going to use this as an example. I'm trying to drag it. Okay. Let me import. Okay, before that, let me just go straight for you to see how it looks like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to write Shegun's TV. Or let me use okay, Shegun's TV. Let's try that. You can use any other name you like. I'm just using this as an example. Let me add text. So I won't be able to use a white background. Like my font will not be a white text because of my background is white already. So I have to use black. Oh, my data, what happened? It's not loading. Okay, I think it will still come up. So let me just enter my text here. Let me use Adedeke's TV. Okay, let me I'm looking for style to use. Let me use the black. I don't want to use this. Coming. So you come down, you scroll down here. Just scroll down there and try. Let's check it out. We have spacing, bold, italic. Okay, few seconds please. Let me use the stroke. So from the stroke here, I'll click on the black color. No. Okay, I increase the width here. Can you see? Let me decrease it. Can you see that? So just for it to come out well, like just making it more visible. So don't make it too much. You can just reduce it. Just make sure that it is visible. I hope you get that. Okay. So let me save that. So make sure that it is well centered. Can you see that there's an arrow there, like a line? Uh, can you see there? You have to place it in the middle. Can you see the horizontal line and the vertical line? Can you see there? All right. So I think now is now in the middle. Okay, let me play it first. So for it to make more sense, it's just a simple, like it's a basic one. You can just design the way you like it. You can add filters, you can add a lot of things. So what next? What can we do here? All right, let me add text animations. So I'll click on text just like I did here now. Then you come down to these animations here. Click on it. Just play around it. You can use any style you want. Let's see. Let me use golden dust. Let me see how it looks like. I just want to try it out. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the network. Oh, sorry about that. Let's wait for it. Okay, can you see it now? I've clicked on the golden dust. So let me press mark. Let me play it again. Let me pause it. Let me play it again. Can you see that? So one thing you should note there that you can reduce the animations, like, how will I put it? Look at this now. You can reduce it. Don't make it too much. This arrow here, maybe the seconds you want it to like display your the name or whatever, the name of your brand or whatever name you have inputted. So just make sure that you can just use 1 second, you can use two, just depending on what you love to use. So let me use 2.5 seconds. The thing is that anything about video editing, there are a lot of measurements there. That's just it. So let's see. I'm going to play it again. Okay. Can you see that? Speaking of something, this is not yet still visible this way. Not that visible. Let me add something, like let me make it more dark, like for the text here, text I used. Let me see if I can just add something to it. Let me check on the styles. Um, oh, stroke. All right, let me increase it a bit. So this is just an example though, but just play around it just to make it look good. Okay, so now let me add filters. If you don't know how to do that, I've taught you in a previous video. You can check for it. So I'll click on filters here. Sorry. Okay, effects. Okay, let me add the filters first. Let me add the filters. Can you see? Just play around them. Just look for the one that works best for you. Let me see the one I can use here. Okay. I don't know. Let me just go and use this. Let me go back to effects. I think I'll say better one day. So I click on effects and video effects. So just make sure your data is on so that you can get more features for it. Okay, I think I'm getting to see more of it here. Um, okay, let's use butterfly. See butterfly dream. Oh, I don't know, but butterfly. Let's use it. Let's see how it works. Can you see that? So you can just play around them. Don't use explosion. I don't know, but depending on what you want to, depending on what you have to offer or kind of the content you create on your channel, your YouTube channel, on your Facebook page, whatever. I hope you get that. So let me just use this butterfly. So I'll click on it. Let me drag it. So you can reduce it. You can increase it. You can reduce like you can increase it this way. So just to the length you want it. I want it to be on the same measurement with my text. So that will make sense. It will make sense that way. So I'm going, let me split from here. Alright, let me split. I'm sorry. It's not allowing me to split. Let me just drag it. Okay. So you feel some vibration there. So let me play it again. So you can add what are they calling it? So you can add your sound effects. So let's apply that. Let's apply that. You can add your stickers and just anything, just to make it, look attractive. So where's my wait, let's sound effects, right? Okay, we're going to sound. Let's go click on audio, sound, click on sound. It's loading. Let me check here. Let me check. Sorry. Oh, oh, sorry. Let's use sound effects. Sorry, sound effects. That's where you get your sound effects from. Okay. So let me use just like explosion. Don't mind me, Jerry. I just want something that to make more sense. Yes, you download this. You download it. Oh, this one is scary. Let me find that one. Okay, let's see. Okay, just to attract your audience. Like you do you understand? So to make them watch your video, and you can just add different text effects. I sorry, sound effects, even between your videos or towards the end of your videos. Um, I'm coming. Let me see. Let's see these fireworks first. No, no, no. Okay, let's use this DJ Scratch just for an example. Can you see that? You can add music, you can just add anything. So this will be my intro. I think you get. Okay, so you can just play around them, try other ones there. So for the outro, just make sure that okay, let me put a video in between. So I will split here. I will split from here. Can you see? So at this middle point, oh, transition. No, I'm not adding transition. Okay, let me just add the video here. I click on that plus button. Let me show you. I clicked here. Can you see? Let me just click on that. Okay, let me check. Let me use this one. This video here. So don't mind me. I love using this video because it's short, and you can also trim it out. Let me trim this. Done with this. Okay. So too, but in one way or the other, we find ourselves. I'm just using this as an example. I want you to see it. So too. So let's just assume that let's assume that this is the main video. I hope you get that. This one is too long. Let me delete. I'm sorry. Okay. Let me cut it. Let me split it. All right. Let me play it again. So too, but in one way or the other, we find ourselves purchasing that product. So in your outro, you can just add thanks for watching. You can add your call to action. Just make sure that at the end of your video, you add the call to action button where where your audience can reach out to you whenever they need your services or your products. So let's say, for example, I said, okay, let me copy this. I'll just duplicate this. Now we edit. Where's the okay? Let's duplicate. Okay, so let me drag it down here. So it doesn't necessarily mean you do this way. You can try all other options. So I'm going to edit this now, and I'll write thanks for watching. So if you have watched my video to this extent, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the only way you can support me. And watch out for my upcoming videos by clicking on the bell icon for more notifications about my videos. So that's thanks for watching. Just make sure you put the necessary things. Okay, let me play. Can you see? So you can add your what are they calling it? Your call to action button. You can add your Facebook, your social media handles. I hope you get that, your email address, just for them to reach out to you. So this is just a simple way for you to create your intro and outro. You can add more filters. Just let me add these stickers. Let me see how it look like. Let me look for a sticker here. Let's try this. Let me just check it out. Okay, thank God we've seen something. Let's add these two things. I'm going to add subscribe first. Yes, so you just make sure you reduce it. Can you see? But make sure it's well, like you position it well. Should I put it here? Let's put it here. Sure. Put it there. Okay. Make sure that you are like the length at which you put it is the same length with the other one. That's thanks for watching. Can you see it? Just make sure that it's the same length. I think let me drag this subscribe button a bit. Okay. I think it's okay this way. Can you see? Let me drag this subscribe um button a little bit. Okay. Template again. So you can add animations to any one of them. You can add your sounds, your filters, effects. Just play around it.